Now, students, once again I repeat it, horticulture. So now basically, hortus word, hortus plus culture, that combinedly called horticulture. Hortus means field and culture means, we also learned that culture means cultivation. The production of vegetables, fruits, ornamental plants, medicinal plants on commercial scale. This is called horticulture. And horticulture basically used in India in Maharashtra. Because Maharashtra state is the largest producing of fruits in India. Largest. Most of the produce or production of fruits in Maharashtra in India. So basically these methods will be used on that commercial scale. Okay. Then after that, students, means 2 millions of land basically covered in orchids, means ornamental plants in Maharashtra. After that we are going to start organic farming. Basically, students, we use to increase the productivity of the soil or fertility of the soil, to be use the chemical fertilizers that increase productivity or fertility of soil quickly, but they harm the natural fertility power of the soil. We can say that they make soil salinity, destroy the salinity and fertility after that. So now organic farming is a method which use biotic agents or biotic agents like as manure, leaves of plants, dead and decay material of plants and animals used in the organic farming, because organic farming is beneficial to the field and as well as us, because the chemical fertilizers causes many types of diseases in humans as well as in plants. Okay students, so organic farming is the best methods of farming nowadays. This is the methods which use on a large scale organic farming nowadays. Okay, and now next we are going to discuss about the advantages of organic farming. First advantage. So first is toxin free food, or the crops or grains which produced by the organic farming is free from toxin. Toxin means chemical that produced by chemical fertilizer, but organic farming or bioagents no form of toxin, and toxin free foods which healthier for our body. Next is control pest and weeds. This is also control pest and weed. We also discuss about the weed, students, unwanted plants that grow in with our crops, and control the pest. Pest means rat and other organisms or animals which harm our crops. Okay. Next, third is environmental friendly, because no any types of pollution causes by the organic farming. And next is fourth, recycling of waste material like as waste material of animals used as a manure or as a biotic agents in it. Then crops taken by the animals and animals excreta again used as a biotic agent. So recycling it is the very important points of that Next, maintain the fertility of the soils. They also maintain the fertility of soil as which we use or not use.